Top 5 signs ng anxiety. Number 1, palpitations. Number 2, muscle tension. Ramdam mo na tumitigas yung muscles mo sa leeg, shoulders, at panga. Minsan, pag sobrang tagal na tense ang muscles mo sa leeg, this can lead to headache. Number 3, hyperventilation. Ito yung rapid and shallow breathing. Minsan, di mo namamalayan na bumibilis na pala yung paghinga mo, pero mapapansin mo na nagdadry na yung bibig mo, and that's because of hyperventilation. Number 4, pinagpapawisan kahit na malamig naman sa kwarto. Number 5, sumasakit ang tiyan. Minsan, parang naduduwal o nasusuka ka pa. Or worse, diarrhea. When experiencing anxiety, the first thing you should do is to not deny it. The more you deny, the worse it gets. Stay away from crowds muna, go to a quiet place, and do slow, deep breathing. Drink cold water, and if you can, walk outside for 10 to 15 minutes. If you can't walk, do gentle stretches. Stretch your neck, your shoulders, and your back to release the tension. And remind yourself to slow down. It's okay to slow down as long as you're moving forward. Ang anxiety ay isang normal emotion. Natural itong nararamdaman during stressful events in your life. Pero meron yung mga nagiging persistent, excessive, and uncontrollable na yung anxiety nila to the point na naaapektuhan na yung daily routine nila. If you feel na napapadalas yung anxiety symptoms mo, pabalik-balik siya, hirap mong i-manage, nababawasan ang productivity mo, at nababawasan ang social interaction mo for at least 6 months, seek consult with a psychiatrist. Ligtas ang may alam. Hanggang sa susunod, take care.